I couldn't believe how much flavor there was in this chicken pastina soup with the garlic and the lemon and the chicken. You're gonna want to start by finely dicing the onion and the carrot, and then we'll go ahead and cook the chicken. Drizzle some olive oil in a Dutch oven on medium-high heat, and then place your chicken breast in the Dutch oven, cook for 8 minutes, season, and then turn them over, cook for another 8 minutes or until fully cooked. Transfer it to a large clean plate and then deglaze the Dutch oven with butter, scraping off all that delicious flavor. Add in the onion and the carrot, cook for a few minutes, and then add in the garlic, cook for another few minutes before deglazing with a little bit of the chicken broth, scraping off the bottom, and then adding the rest of the chicken broth. Season with a little bit of salt, and then as soon as it comes to a simmer, add in the pasta. While it's cooking, take 2 forks and start shredding the chicken. You're gonna need about 1.5 cups of shredded chicken for the soup. Take the soup off the heat, add in the fresh lemon juice and your shredded chicken, stir everything together, and you're ready to serve. You can garnish the soup with fresh dill or parmesan and enjoy. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.